Hey, what's cracking YouTube? Y'all already know what's going on, man. It's your boy Paulo. I'm finna put y'all on game with crypto, you feel me, Bitcoin, all that good stuff. You feel me? So today in this video though, I'm gonna just teach y'all how to really set it up. You feel me? My next video, I'm gonna teach you how to really start making money from it for real. But you know what I'm saying? Let's first show y'all how to get it set up, because that's the process itself. You feel me? So boom. We gonna go ahead and tune in. Now I know a lot of y'all don't even know really how crypto work for real. You know what I'm saying? You probably heard a few things and a few apps like Coinbase and Robinhood, but them only good if you trying to hold it for like more than a month. You feel me? Don't get that unless you're trying to do that. What we finna be doing, bro, you feel me, is making money every day, making profits every day, every single day. You feel me? I'm using my phone, so I can't even see myself. I don't know if y'all can see me, but it don't even matter. As long as y'all understand me. You know what I'm saying? As long as y'all understand the money. So let's go ahead and get this bag and let's get started. Boom. So first thing you're gonna want to do is this. Is go to the App Store, type in Binance with a B. Tripping. Boom. Now you got this one. Don't go to that one. If you live in the United States, you live in America, go right here, bro. Don't go to that. Go to this. US. Boom. Download. Alright, I'm already logged into it on my phone, obviously, so I'm not gonna go through the process on my phone. I actually should have just went on this phone and did it, but it don't even matter. Oh well. So boom, what you gonna do is once you download that, I'm finna show you how to set up. I'm gonna do it on my computer. Now I recommend using your phone, bro, cause the phone you gotta do a whole bunch on your phone. So you might as well use your phone. It makes it 1,000 times easier, bro. 1,000 times easier. You know what I'm saying? Plus I done heard people have problems with the computer, but you know what I'm saying. Whatever you use, it don't matter. To me, shoot. So anyway, long as you sign up, that's all that matters at the end of the day, to be honest. So I'm gonna go on my computer since I'm already logged in my phone. You feel me? You're gonna wanna type in email, password, the referral ID. Let me show y'all what to type in. Right here. 537 17515. So boom, you're gonna type that in and that woo. I had just did it. The video cut off while I was doing this. I had to redo this video. Finna cut off again. Who was that? I know it. Somebody always calling me. Anyway, boom, 2 more steps to go. So you know what I'm saying. What you're gonna want to do here is secure account. You feel me? But I'm not gonna do it because I got one. But you're gonna want to do that. And you're gonna also complete identity verification. You know what I'm saying? So boom. So go ahead and you know what I'm saying, do all that. You have to like verify your email, your phone number, your address, your face. You feel me? Your bank account, everything, because folk got millions of dollars in this, bro. We finna, you know what I'm saying? When I say we, but you might only be putting in 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, but other folk got millions of dollars, bro. So think about that. You feel me? So 1, it's not no scam, and 2, nobody finna come for you. They'd rather come for them, if anybody. So anyway, boom, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna wanna do that, but I'm gonna skip it just so I can get in. I don't know why it just made me. It just signed me out. Hold up. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, so once you're in. Oh, okay, boom. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all this right here. Cause how to verify on your phone, cause it is a little different. So once you sign up on your phone, go to the main screen, all right? It's going to look like that on the main screen. Go right here to the bottom right. And then, let's see, let me cover that up. Boom, right here. Go to under account, identity verification. Make sure you do this. This is crucial. This is crucial. Mine's all verified. Now let me show y'all what's even more crucial than that. Cause I was hurt when I didn't do this. Let me show y'all where to go. So under that, you go to security. And then you go right here, two-factor authentication. Boom. You're going to want to do your phone number and the Google. Make sure you do that. Because I didn't do that, and I tried to take money off, and for like a whole week straight, I couldn't get my money off. And I was mad and pissed for no reason when all I had to do was just do that. So make sure you do that. So once you do that says enabled. So I went to that security. You go back, boom, right here, under account. So just verify these two right here. You know what I'm saying? Of course, all this. Now, boom. Then, once you in there, so once you verify all that, you know what I'm saying? All that's good, you know what I'm saying? You done got the app, all that, woo, woo, woo. You feel me? It's like a 5-minute process. I mean, now, the whole process ain't 5 minutes. You know what I'm saying? It took me 5 minutes to make this. I'm tripping. The whole process for me took a couple of hours. You feel me? Other people, it took them like 24 hours. It didn't take me that long. You know what I'm saying? To each its own. It depends on whatever. You know what I'm saying? So like on the computer, skip. You know what I'm saying? It'll show all this. You feel me? So once you logged in, you got everything ready to go. What you're gonna want to do next is go here. Is go to the middle one. And boom, you're gonna want to go right here to deposit. And that's how you put money on here. Let me also teach y'all that. So boom, you're gonna want to click on right here, USD. So then it's gonna take you right here, you know what I'm saying, where you can put in a certain amount. But actually, you gotta do your payment method. I forgot if it wants you to do your payment method before or after, but just in case you do it after, you're gonna want to go right here to add payment method. Don't go to wire transfer. I ain't never used it, so don't go to it. Just go to add payment method right there. So I'm gonna click on that, and boom. And then you got ACH and debit card. What you're gonna want to do is use ACH because ACH is basically taking straight out your bank account. No fees at all. Debit card is gonna take a fee out. You feel me? It's gonna take a fee. So just do ACH, save you time, and it'll save you money, literally. So you're gonna wanna click on that. It's gonna bring you to the screen. You just Binance.com uses whatever. The link your bank. And you can pick your bank and you just log in. So say you got Chime into that, and it's gonna just log in. Boom. But I don't got Chime, so let me exit. Oh, alright. So boom. So that's pretty much it though. Then once you got money on here, next what you're gonna want to do is on the phone is different. On the computer, if you have also a computer, definitely use both, because you can go to the full market. And you can see all these to choose from and look into. You feel me? So find a coin. Say you've been hearing a lot about Doge. You know what I'm saying? So you want to get into that. Okay, cool. So you go here. Boom. You got your buy and sell at the bottom. It's simple, bro. You ain't got to worry about all that yet. You feel me? This is where you can check. That's 1 minute time. That's 5 minute time. 15 minute time. Ooh, you feel me? But I'll go into all that later in the next video. This is basically how to set it up. Just watch the charts for now, y'all. Watch the charts. Don't make a purchase yet. I'm going to get into the difference between market, limit, and how to really purchase correctly and make money. All right. Well, appreciate y'all tuning in. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all already know what cracking with your boy. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. And yeah, tune in that next video where I show you how to make money with it for real. I want y'all to watch the charts, bro. Give it a few days, cause things change. So give it a few days, even a week. You know what I'm saying? Then make your first move. Unless you feeling confident, do it today. But hey, bro, y'all, like I said, I'm out. Slack.